So this kind of question basically, I mean, it's like a PSI kind of question. You have to be very logical and count the values carefully. Whether is it in the present stage, what's the expression for their age, the past, what's the expression for the age, the future, what's the expression for the age. Okay, so usually this involves some translation of numbers. Okay, if Raju is 12M years old, the son was born when he was 9M. Okay, and I want to find Raju's age 5 years later. I mean, so you think about it, currently what's Raju's age is 12M. Okay, it's 12M. This was born, the son was born when he was 9M, so it's like 3M years ago. Okay, so 12M minus 9M, that's 3M years ago. What is Raju's age 5 years later? 5 years later means 5 years in the future. What will happen to the age? I mean, if you are like for example, I'm 36 years old now. 5 years later, I'll be 41, right? So you know that this, in terms of algebra, you are doing a plus 5. So if you take 12M and you're talking about 12M at the current stage, you are adding, going to 5 years later, the age will be 12M plus 5, right? You'll be 12M plus 5. So take note that when you are writing your answers, do write 12M plus 5 and include your unit as well. Okay, try not to just write an algebraic expression without any context. Okay, for mathematics, do try to include your units. So find the sum of their ages in 5 years time. So you know that the dad is 12M plus 5. What about the son? So the son now currently, you see, he was born when he was 9M. So the son's current age, right, would actually be 12M minus 9M, which is equals to 3M. Okay, will be equals to 3M. So the rationale is very simple. The son was born when he was 9M years old. Okay, the Raju was 9M, the son was born. Now Raju is 12M. Okay, so imagine when the son was born until now, the son has grown, right? Raju was 9M, now Raju is 12M. The son is the difference. The son's age is the difference. Okay, which is 3M years old. So with this 3M years old, okay, basically, in 5 years time, what will be the son's current age? So the son's age, in 5 years would definitely be, I mean, same as the Raju, you have to take 3M plus 5. Okay, because we are talking about 5 years down the road, the son is going to be 5 years older. So looking at Raju's age in 5 years time, the son's age in 5 years time, all you have to do is to add them together. Since the question asks for the sum, so you take 12M plus 5, this is Raju's age. Again, put a bracket, okay? Every time you're doing a question like this where it's contextual, you put a bracket around it before you remove the bracket. Same as substitution, put a bracket before you remove the bracket. Okay, so 12M plus 5, 3M plus 5, 12 and 3, that will give you 15M, 5 and 5, that will give you 10. So the sum of their ages in 5 years time, it will be 15M plus 10. Okay, thank you.